So time, uh, in Western philosophy, we divide or we describe time in terms of years, months, and so. But actually, in the Sanatani scriptures or in the Vedic scripture or Shastras, time is divided into 4 cycles. So basically, the unit of time is yugas or yug. So there is a Satyug, there is a Treta Yug, there is a Dwapar, and then there is a Kali Yug. So basically, time is divided into four parts. So you can imagine this as like when you create music. So you divide time into 4 beats. Then the cycle is completed. So by this example, you can understand it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the tempo. Tempo, rhythm, beat. In Vedas, you call it nad. So time is actually this period. Like period is very important thing for time. Like day, night is happening, and after full circle, it is again starting the revolution. So every planet is revolving like this, and it is having a period. For example, Jupiter has a 12-year period. After 12 years, it comes to the same point. Similarly, Saturn has 30-year period. Similarly, Sun has 1 year of period. So this period thing is very important if you want to understand time. So Vedas says that these four yugas are like periods. So first there will be Satyug, then Treta, then Dwapar, then Kali Yug, and then again Satyug, Dwapar, Treta, Kali Yug. So this keeps on going. So what happens is during this period there will be certain characteristics which will be prevailing inside the human beings which are living in these periods. So this is as per Vedas. So like in Satyug there will be mode of goodness will be prevailing inside all the beings, not only human beings, even in animals. So they will be not agitated. They will be in the calm, happy state. Everything is available. Everything is happy-go-lucky. So no competition, no jealousy, no wrong feeling, no crime, nothing. Very nice, pleasant nature, pleasant time. Then big degradation happen in next yug, which is Treta. But they say actually dharmas have 4 legs in Satyug, then 1 leg breakdowns in Treta, then 2 legs breakdown in Dwapar, and then all 4 legs breakdown in Kali Yuga. So right now we are living in Kali Yuga. So everything, whatever you think of, is very very much corrupted. The thinking, the nature, the everything, the planning and everything. So as per logic, if you think, if everything has a cycle, if all the planets are moving in a cycle, so they are coming back to from where they started after a period of time. So why this yugas will not change and come back to from where they started? So that is the basic logic which Bhavishya Malika put forward. So which you have to think about. So let's say if you start from Satyug, so you have to go back again to Satyug. It's the same like if morning is happening and after morning if night is happening, so then morning will come again. Otherwise, this cycle thing of time will fail logically if you think about it. So this logic looks very strong, which Bhavishya Malika puts forward. This is same like you born as a child, then you grow old, then you die, and then you again born as a child. So this is the philosophy of Vedas, that everything is periodical. So that's why after this Kali Yuga will end, there will be a new time which will start, which will be blessed time as per the thinking and philosophy if you think about it. So whatever is corrupted right now will reverse and become very good. This is the Satyug period. So Bhavishya Malika says the Satyug will start. But before that, you have to go through a transformation period in which there will be a avatar of Bhagwan Vishnu also, which is called Kalki Avatar. So that is the main thinking.